today's video is regarding Canon PIXMA 2520 all-in-one printer. I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges. Now the first step is to switch on the printer, and the ink cartridge chamber door is here. So just place your hand and push it. It will open. Wait for the ink cartridges to come at its place. Now we have to take it out. So press the ink cartridge down with the finger and take it out. So it's easy to take out the ink cartridges. Now to install the new ink cartridge, simply we have to place the color ink cartridge to the color side and black to the black side. And the color ink is 244 and the black is 243. So just simply slide it in and push it in, and it will lock there. Slide the black one in, let it go in and push it, it will lock. Now close the door. So this way we can install the ink cartridges. Thanks for watching.